to Magic of Economics. This is Miss Mini with you, and we are in the last part of first chapter. Okay, I'm going to explain today MOC or MRT, marginal opportunity cost or marginal rate of transformation. Marginal opportunity cost or marginal rate of transformation. Both are same. Okay. Here I am starting with an assumption. Okay. No resource is equally efficient in the production of all goods. Makes PPC concave to the origin. We already know PPC is concave to the origin. You know, under PPC with wheat and rice, I already explained how 100, 0, 90, 10, 70, 20, why it is not 70, 30, I asked. Why it is not 40, 60, I asked. It is 40, 30 actually. No? Why it is like that? Because no resource is equally efficient in the production of all goods. That is the reason. Okay? Opportunity cost is the cost of availing an opportunity in terms of loss of other opportunity. In marginal opportunity cost or marginal rate of transformation, we are going to talk about two opportunities. Opportunity 1 and opportunity 2. I already told you, like, one side it is a loss and the other side it is a gain. So like opportunity 1 I am going to take as what? Good 1. Opportunity 2 we are taking as good X. So one side we are gaining and the other side we are losing. Good Y we are losing and good X we are gaining. How it is happening? I am going to explain this with the help of a diagram. Look at the board. I am going to explain with shades. A, B, C, D. I am going to explain with 4 combinations. Okay? I am going to explain with 4 combinations. Production of good X. 0, 1, 2, 3. Production of good Y. 20, 18, 50, 11. So I already told you opportunity 1 is good Y and opportunity 2 is good X. Here you will be able to see opportunity 2 to gain one more unit. We are losing here 20 to 18. 2 units we are losing to get 1 more unit of X. Then the next it is how 3 units we are losing to get 1 more X. Next combination, losing 4 units to get 1 more X. So in losing is increasing, sacrificing is increasing, and gaining is same. Okay, now delta X. What is delta X? Change in X. So we don't know the previous one. So the first one I am going to put dash. Next, gain I have to write. 0 to 1 difference is what? 1. 1 to 2 difference is what? 1. 2 to 3 difference is what? 1. So here only we are talking about gaining. Now the next column is about what? Losing. So delta Y means loss of output. Here I already wrote it is gain of output. Here it is loss of output. So now you have to think about how loss of output. 20 to 80. Loss is okay. The previous one same like what delta X we don't know. So put a dash. Then 20 to 18 is 2. 2 units we are losing. 18 to 15, 3 units we are losing. 15 to 11, 4 units we are losing. Means losing is increasing, gaining is same. So what we supposed to understand? To get 1 unit of X, we are losing more and more unit of Y. So losing is increasing. That is the reason production possibility curve is concave to the origin. Now we have to find out MRT or MOC. What is the equation for MRT or MOC? Delta Y divided by delta X means losing divided by gaining. So the first one, as usual, we are doing dash because we don't know that. Then the next one onwards, we are losing 2, gaining 1. 2 by 1 is equal to 2 is the MOC. Next one, 3 we are losing and 1 we are gaining. So 3 is the MRT or MOC. Next one, 4 we are losing and 1 we are gaining, equal to 4. So you will be able to see like what is increasing, MRT or MOC is increasing. That is the reason PPC is concave to the origin. I am going to explain numerical regarding marginal opportunity cost. Giving reason, comment on the shape of PPC based on the following schedule. Till now we did 2 schedules and 1 diagram. You may be thinking schedules will be given in the question paper or you have to do it. You have to by heart the schedule and do it in your paper. But here in numerical, question will be given. Question will be given like this. That's why I already wrote question on the board. Here you only have to find out MOC, answer. Okay? MOC is equal to delta Y by delta X. You already know the equation of MOC, delta Y by delta X. Loss divided by gain it is. Opportunity 2 divided by opportunity 1. Here you will be able to see. First one you already know it is dash, and then you know here 10 to 9. 1 we are losing, and 0 to 1. 1 we are gaining. So the answer MOC is 1. Second one, 9 to 7 difference is what? 2. 2 we are losing and 1 we are gaining. So 2 by 1 is equal to 2. 7 to 4. 7 to 4, what is the difference? 3. 3 we are losing and 1 we are gaining. It is 3. Next one, fourth one. 3 to 4, 1 we are gaining. Here 4 to 0, 4 we are losing. So one more time, 4 to 0, 4 we are losing and 3 to 4, 1 we are gaining. 4. So here you will be able to see MOC is increasing. That's why PPC is concave to the origin. For example, if you are getting the answer 2, 2, 2, 2, then PPC can't be concave to the origin. It is increasing because of that PPC is concave to the origin. Next one I am going to explain in a different way. Okay, I am going to explain the next numerical. Again giving reason, comment on the shape of PPC based on the following schedule. Question is already given. Question will be given in your paper. Okay, good X 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Goodbye 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Now to find out MOC. MOC is equal to delta y by delta x. Okay, first one, same like before, dash. 8 to 6 difference. This is good y, you know. So 8 to 6 difference is what? 2. 0 to 1 difference is what? Here you know it is gaining. Here it is losing. 2 by 1 is equal to 2. 6 to 4. What is the difference? 2. 1 to 2. 1. Again 2. 4 to 2 difference? 2. 2 to 3 difference? 1. 2 to 0 difference? 2. 3 to 4 difference? 1. So here you will be able to see MOC is same, constant. Previous numerical, what I told, MOC is increasing, because of that production possibility curve is concave to the origin. Here MOC is same, so what will be the shape of production possibility curve? It will be a straight line. It will be a straight line. So we completed first chapter. Now we are moving to the second chapter. Okay. See you soon with second chapter.